The cost of purchasing certain volumes of gasoline are shown below. We can assume that there is a linear relationship between X, the number of gallons purchased, and Y, the cost of purchasing that many gallons. Write an equation that describes Y as a linear function of X. Because this is going to be proportional, meaning if you get no gallons of gas, it should cost $0. We can just divide the Y by the X to find the slope. So the Y value is 19.71 and the X value was 5.4. Since it shouldn't be at 0, 0, no gallons of gas costs $0, we don't need to fill in that B value part. We can divide 19.71 by 5.4 to change it into a decimal, and we will get 3.65 for X, or for the slope, and then we need X. Then in part B, it says, are there any restrictions on X and Y? Well, we wouldn't want negative gallons of gas, and we wouldn't want negative dollars. So we will restrict X and Y to both positive numbers. C says, is the function discrete? Discrete means that all of your inputs must be whole numbers. Since we can buy partial gallons of gas, such as 5.4 gallons, this is not discrete. We have decimal inputs, so it is not discrete. Part D says, what number does the linear function assign to 20? If I put 20 into that equation, what value am I going to get out? So 3.65 times 20. And that will give you 73. That means for 20 gallons of gas, it is going to cost $73.